guys, in this video I am going to show you that whether the R software of statistics is going to support or not in my old 10 years laptop. Here I have downloaded the file. I'll show you the file, that is R software for statistics for Windows 11. Here is the setup file. Let us going to see whether it is going to support or not. Oh, I hope that it is going to support. Next, next, next. Next, next, next. As you can see, the process is almost started. Hopefully it is going to support. It is almost going to complete. Sorry for the bad audio because my throat got okay, I'm very excited. Let us see what happening. It is almost complete. Oh yes, finish. As you can see, the application has come to the desktop. Let us try to open R. Not seeing here. Here I'm going to try. Yes, it is opening. No. Yes guys, it is finally opening. Thank you. For your kind information, I'm telling you that this is my old laptop that I received by the government of Odisha. So thank you.